Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? Ito po yung kanyang FB page. So, bisitahin nyo na lang yan. Oo. And yeah, don't forget to follow. Okay, so, yeah, and syempre, kung may tanong rin pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating Evil Eye ring, and sa ating Evil Eye necklace. Okay, so ito siya. O, diba? Medyo, oh no. Okay, so ito siya. Si Evil Eye necklace. Yan, okay, 'di ba? So pretty. No? So, ito ay naa-adjust, okay? Meron siyang extender. So, ito ay hindi masyado nabibigyang hustisya oo nitong ating camera, no? Maganda siya in person actually. And yes, ito naman ang ating uh, Evil Eye bracelet. Okay, so meron tayong dalawa, no? Kung ayaw niyo nito, kung ito naman ang gusto nyo, pwede naman, just message me, okay? So, ito ay garterized, okay? So, ganyan siya. And, yeah. Okay, so, perfect for everybody. Everybody. Yes, unisex. So, di ba? Okay, so, let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong messages for you? Messages, please, for air signs. The Hierophant in reversed. Page of Cups. Someone is pwedeng meron ditong hindi pa rin totally into committing, no? Immature pa pagdating sa tawag diyan, pakikipagrelasyon. Okay, may nakukuha ko ditong kukunin na abay. Hindi ko alam. May nakuha akong ganun. May kukunin daw na abay. Sa kasal yan, no? Okay. What else? The Hanged Man in reversed. The World. Okay, this is completion. Energy of completion. Energy of moving on. Okay? So, I think this is like energy of leveling up din. Okay? Meron ditong may mga babaguhin. In general. Okay, actually this is in general. Babaguhin in general. So it's like a 360 degrees changes na mangyayari. Okay? So, yeah. Meron ditong makakaalis like abroad. Parang ganon. Yes. Travel. Yeah. If you're planning to travel, yan, meron ako nakikitang pwedeng matuloy yon. Okay? The Four of Coins, some of you needs to save money. Okay po? Four of Coins. The Eight of Coins in reverse. Okay. Parang actually, parang, I don't know, I'm channeling, may mawawala ng pasok. Mawawala ng kita. Okay? Parang ganon. So, mas maganda na save, no? For the rainy days. Oo, parang ganyan. Okay? This is money. May i-fix yung inyong some of you, yung inyong ipunan. Okay? Pwedeng sabihin nating magagamit nyo. Yes, may magagamit na. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Pwede kasing yun nga yung iba sa inyo, sabihin nating may mawawala ng ng pasok or work. Actually, okay? So, mas maganda maging handa. Huh? Yeah, the Three of Coins in reverse. See, this is workplace related. Okay? Something na pwedeng magiging issue pagdating sa workplace. Yeah. Be ready. Okay? So, there. Okay. Next, hang on, ating pa linawin itong ating camera. Okay. Next is fire signs. Okay. So, anong messages for fire signs, please? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Anong messages for you? The Hanged Man. The Three of Cups in reversed. So, pwedeng may madidelay na lakad. Okay? Okay. So, may madidelay na lakad, may madidelay na meeting. Okay, may hihintayin kayo, someone, pwedeng hindi siya sisipot, like that. A lot of waiting. A lot of delays. No? Someone is waiting for a reconciliation rin. Being patient. Patiently waiting. Diba? I don't know. Pwedeng Pisces, Sagittarius. Kanina kasi nakita ko si Temperance and Three of Cups. This is water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe you're waiting for a water sign na makipag-reconcile, no? Pisces. Okay. Ten of Swords. The King of Swords. Ending. Okay. Some of you may mga lalagdaan, papermahan, certificates, like that. Okay? Pero before kayo gumawa nun, or a decision, okay, mag-isip muna mabuti. Tingnan muna mabuti. Basahin lahat ng pipirmahan. Okay? May sisira ng tiwala mo. Ano your sign? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Pinagkakatiwalaan mo tong taong to. Pwedeng hindi niya zodiac sign yung mga nabanggit ko, pero tong taong to, malaki yung tiwala mo sa kanya, pero makikita mo na parang binabackstab ka. Okay? Sinisira nito tiwala mo. Yeah. The Devil. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. May lilipat ng trabaho. Okay? May babaguhin pagdating sa itsura yung iba. I think some of you, this is like energy of operation. Parang mga ganon. May mga operasyon. Ako nakikita rito, major operation. Okay? Some of you, nakikita ko na pwedeng makakuha ng isang relasyon, pero this is like sex-based. Okay? A sex-based relationship. Okay? May mga mag-e-end for the better. Okay? So, yun ang tatandaan nyo. Okay? So, there. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong meron for you? Okay. Water signs. The Emperor. The Three of Cups. Okay, so celebration with the boss. Okay, celebration. Yeah. May ma-awardan like that. Merong ma-ipopromote. Yan, energy ng ganyan. Okay? In general, this is an energy of success. Water signs, yeah. Energy of success, energy of like, sabihin natin may mga sisimulan. Or may mga, sabihin natin, next level. Like that. Okay. Some of you, makakarinig kayo ng rumor about a boss, father or mother figure who is into, sabihin natin na parang in a third party connection. Okay? A rumor. Yeah. The Six of Wands in reversed. The Eight of Swords in reversed. Okay, so may mga nagagalit sa'yo. Okay? May mga nagagalit sa'yo. Makikita mo tong mga to sa kilos. Yung lagi kang parang pinipigilan. Ay, wag mong gawin yan. Ay, ganto ganyan. Lagi silang may side comment na hindi maganda. Sila yon. Okay? Yeah. Through their words, doon mo mapapansin. Okay? Mhm. May mga taong gustong may malaman sa'yo. May mga inggit tong mga to. Okay, pagdating sa'yo, water signs, merong mga naiinggit. Some of you, pwedeng kaibigan mo. The Knight of Cups, there's an offer coming. The Seven of Swords in reverse. Opening up, being real. Okay, so some of you pwedeng nako-confuse kayo, no? Or maybe may isang tao na parang i-confuse ka. Pero actually, I'm seeing this person being green, no? Green flag. Pero makikita mo sila as red. I don't know why. Okay? Okay. So maybe some of them kasi is pwedeng physically attractive. Ganyan. Okay? Or sabihin nating stable. Pero ang tingin mo sa kanila is a red flag. Yeah. This person likes you. And nakikita ko na totoo yung intention ng mga to. Maybe this is mangyayari pa in the future. Okay? Namamali yung basa mo eh. Namamali yung basa mo pagdating dun sa tao. Mako-confuse ka, pero I think this is a strong connection coming. Okay? So there. Next. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Hi! Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang meron. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, while I'm shuffling. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Anong message for you? The King of Swords. Truth. Okay. Loyal. Being loyal. Sabihin nating genuine, kung ano man to. Ano ba tong King of Swords? The Two of Swords. A decision na kailangan isip. Okay, isip ang ating pagaganahin, ang ating gagamitin, hindi emosyon. May darating na desisyon na ang kailangan mong gamitin is utak, hindi emosyon. Set aside your emotion muna kapag may ganyan. Okay? Yeah. The King of Wands in reverse. So, may energy dito na pwedeng sabihin nating magaganda at mabubulaklak ang maririnig mo sa taong yan, or sabihin nating it's like too good to be true. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, what else? For earth signs. Someone is avoiding na maging tapat. Pwedeng air sign. The Hangman. Pisces energy. Death. Someone is waiting for a change. Waiting for a change. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun? Waiting for a change. Yun ang nakuha ko, yun ang narinig ko. 6 of Coins. I think may energy rito, earth signs, no? Talagang parang dumidepende na lang sa'yo. Paano sila magkakaroon ng pagbabago? Kung palagi kang nandyan for them, paano sila mag-grow ng kanila? You're always giving them. Okay? Kung ano man ang kaya mong gawin, kung ano man kaya mong ibigay, ibibigay mo. Pero maybe you're just waiting, no? Na may magbago. Kung ganun man at naghihintay ka nga, walang mangyayari. Kung lahat is bigay mo sa kanila. Ang gagawin lang nito is magmulat ng mata sa umaga, 'di ba? Bumangon at yun na, naka-rely na lang sa'yo. Yun lang ang alam. Yeah. Routine na. Routine. So, wala akong nakikita ditong pagbabago, ha? Baka sakali matulungan ko siyang magbago sa mga itinutulong ko. No, don't expect. Oo. Maho-hurt ka lang. O, diba? Yes. What else? A decision. Okay? Ang isang unang-unang gagawin para magkaroon ng pagbabago. Okay? Tandaan nyo, sa lahat ng kung anong meron ka ngayon is resulta ng kung anong decision mo noon. Okay? Tandaan nyo yun. The 9 of Coins in reverse is responsibilities. Some of you, this is bayarin. Okay? The 8 of Wands in reverse. Kung iba sa inyo, may energy na parang may pinautang, medyo may delay. Okay? Iba sa inyo, hindi pa rin makakalis. Oo, sa mga, sabihin natin, madaming responsibilities. Maraming bayarin, bills, ganyan. Okay? I'm seeing some of you, you're like a breadwinner. Yeah, a breadwinner. Humabol si Ace of Pentacles. Kahit ganan man ang mga sitwasyon, andyan eh. Andyan yung blessings. So maybe every time you give, okay, bumabalik. So I guess, hindi naman talaga masama ang tumulong eh, no? Kung ano nga ibinabato mo, yun ang babalik. So may energy rito ng Ace of Pentacles. This is new beginning, this is prosperity, this is abundance. Okay? So every time na tumutulong, may chance na sabihin nating mabe-blessed ka pa. Okay? Ganun yun. Totoo yun. Okay? See? The Sun. That's being sabihin nating positive, not being selfish. Ganyan. Okay? So, asahan nyo kung sino man yung mga gumagamit sa inyo, sila yung magsasuffer. Yes, hindi kayo. Kung nahihirapan man kayo sa pagbibigay, ganyan. Okay, kahit mahirap na magbigay. Tandaan nyo, ha? Ah, kung bukal, no, sa kalooban ninyo yung mga ginagawa nyo, walang mangyayaring masama. Okay? So, yun ang ating nakikita for you all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!